Our prime time trading program is going to transform every aspect of your trading so you can skip all the heartache, the frustration, the wasted time, and all the dead ends. You're going to learn how to quickly and accurately analyze the market, how to identify the best trade setups, and then execute those trades. Within 30 days, we will transform the chaos of your current trading system into a streamlined, profit-driven routine that only takes 30 minutes a day. Now, I want to be clear about something. This isn't a course. It's a lot more than that. Most courses and programs out there cost between $6,000 and $25,000. And even then, you're dropped into a group where you have very little contact with the person you invested in. But that's not the situation with our prime time trading program. We coach you personally. We have a private trading community where you can ask your pressing questions and get immediate feedback. And this is the most important part of the program. Now, there are 4 key components that ensure this program is successful. First, you need access to the knowledge. And then second, the trading resources to help you develop the skills to trade the markets. From here, this is where the interaction comes into play with the trading community and the personal coaching. And these I would consider the most important aspect of the prime time trading program. Direct feedback, live Q&A, community interaction. These are the components that really make the program work and give you every possible chance to reach your goals of financial freedom. So if you're ready to make a fresh start with an experienced trading team and trading community, our prime time trading program has everything you need to become a successful trader. If you're ready to start making money trading, well then join up today. We look forward to working with you. If you have any questions, please, by all means, click on the link and book a 15-minute meeting. I or one of the team will be happy to meet you and answer all of your questions. The markets aren't waiting, and neither should you. If you're ready to take that step towards financial freedom, well, click on the link and get started today. We look forward to working with you. Good luck and happy trading.